Good job.
Should definitely pop at you. What was a good job?
That thing got knocked over.
Oh, that's alright. Yep, there she goes. She's gonna bolt on you. I'm not sure her teeth won't draw blood on you, but probably not.
His hands are numb. He won't
And
care.
she's probably gonna pee on you, because she still does that.
Hey.
There. You want me to grab the lid for you? Or you got her?
I'm just waiting for her to kind of make her way out.
She got big real quick. So Mama's got all kinds of good stuff to get into.
Where are you going?
She grew fast. She's gonna be as big as Chewy, I
I don't know where
guarantee you.
she's going. I can't see her.
Yeah, she's getting long.
Yeah, very.
Was her tail holding on still?
Yeah.
Pain in the butt.
Yeah, she's good. Use the bathroom on me.
Did she? She always gets me. She went.
Yep.
I had her out
You got a
twice.
towel or anything?
Paper towels are right here. I had her out. Took her out twice though, and she didn't do it.
Yep.
I took her out twice, and she
It's on the
didn't
bed.
pee on me.
Yes.
That's all right. I'm used to snake pee and poop.
Did she get you anywhere?
Yeah, it's a little on my arm, but not too.
And the funny thing is, she waited until after she was out to do it.
Oh.
Look how big you're getting, girlfriend.
You need to quit whipping that towel around there, chica.
She's insecure. There she goes, striking time.
Put
It
one in the
strikes at the air. After she's out, and she came out all calm, then I know where she
Jeez,
strikes
mister.
at the air. Look at her.
Hey.
She doesn't even know what she's after. You know, Jade acted a lot like her, too. She reminds me a lot of Jade when she was her age. Just tell her no. She knows what no means still. She grew a lot, didn't she, Ben?
Yeah.
She's a good eater. She won't turn down food for anything. I have to be careful with her. She'd eat every day if I'd offer it to her. She's a big girl. She's gonna be as big as Chewy. I'd lay money on it. She's gonna be as big as he is. It's just the way how she expresses herself. Oh, another one after your hat now. Here we go. What's with my snakes in your hat?
I don't know.
Does it smell like brake fluid or something? I don't know. See, she's really calm with you. See? And she loves to be out. When I put her back in, she just pouts terrible. So I know she enjoys being out. She's getting so she doesn't act as goofy as she did, but she still has these little quirky bouts where she'll start striking at the air for no reason. She's maturing. She's learning. So I'm learning. I'm not doing too bad. A lot different than she was 3 months ago. Oh, shit. No, you touched her. Uh-oh. When you grab her neck, she thinks you're controlling her and she'll start striking out at you. We're back to the hat again. You guys in Ben's hat. I'm telling you. Yeah, Jasmine's getting really big. Whoa, you fall down?
You gotta be careful.
See? Out of nowhere, she just has these bug out attacks and strikes at nothing. I think it's how she's developing her personality and temperament. She just does it for her own self-gratification. Did she pee on you again?
No, I was just trying to get a full length.
No, not my ankle. You're not biting my ankle. And she doesn't really bite you. She just nips you with her front teeth. She doesn't bite down on you.
Hey.
She just
Trying
like
to get a
nips at
full
you.
length in the video here.
She just nips at
There
you.
you
She
go.
doesn't really bite you. That's excellent. She's long. She's gonna be big as Chewy.
There you go.
That's what gets me about her. She doesn't clamp down on you to bite you. She just tags you with those
There you
front
go.
teeth. She doesn't hold on to you. She's like hits you and runs. Oh, she's after Ava. Oh, Eric. She's stalking Eric. You gonna go attack Eric now? It's just how she expresses herself. Every snake does it different. She's got her own way of doing it. Jasmine, what you doing?
She's like, I'm trying my damnedest to get on my hat.
You keep sliding off. They're really good at holding themselves up if they're using the end of that tail, but if their tail's not anchored, then they don't really grasp very well. Jasmine, where are you going? Poor Ben.
Hey.
She had her mouth open.
She's like, but I want the hat. What? You gonna lunge towards the hat? You can't lunge onto the hat. She's like, watch me.
She's very independent. Very.
She's like,
She's very in control. See there? She just bugs out of nowhere. Has these little temper tantrums. That's what it is. You better not bite anybody in the face or we're going to have a talk. A very serious discussion about that. And see, she doesn't bury her teeth. She just nips you. Just to hit you to let you know she struck at you, basically. I've never had a snake act like that before. And if you're going to strike at me with your mouth open to bite me, at least bite me. Instead of teasing me, you know, she just taps you with her teeth. She doesn't even try to clamp down. It's a weirdo. She's a strange one. Yeah. She's going to be a big girl, just like Chewy. And she's definitely a rat eater. She'll eat anything you put in her cage. Or anything you offer her, she'll eat it. She's definitely not particular.
Look at you.
Isn't she big?
I'm at him.
Oh.
He's like nodding off on the couch over here.
Yeah, I'll let you guys go.
You sleepy, mister? Yeah. Getting late.
She's beautiful. Don't they grow fast?
yeah.
I'll let you sleep till 7:30 tomorrow, okay? Instead of 6:30, baby.
And she's gonna really fight you when you put her back in.
Usually I get woke up and wake her up.
I'll try to.
Yeah, she's growing really at a nice pace. See, she just like there she went.
Hey.
She loses hers. I think sometimes wonder if
That
she's
tongue,
getting.
man.
I think she's getting frustrated because she can't grasp or control herself like she wants to. That's what I keep seeing when she strikes
Her brain's
out.
moving faster than her body.
Exactly. Exactly.
Possible.
I couldn't have worded it any better. She knows what she's trying to do and she just can't get her body to cooperate with her. And then she gets frustrated.
Hey.
Her head's going towards your right elbow,
Yep.
down your forearm.
That's why she was nipping at everybody out of nowhere, randomly. She didn't have a reason except she was trying to learn to use her body mechanics, and when they failed her, she got upset. It wasn't aimed at anyone in particular. She was just getting frustrated because she was having trouble learning to use her body mechanics.
She's
So,
straight up in the air.
yep. So her tail, she's learning to grasp and wrap.
Dude,
And
they
that
kinda-
she better understands how to control her body movements herself. She's not as high-tempered and her personality's calming down because she feels like she's accomplishing something. She says, I'm growing up. I'm not a baby anymore. I'm learning to manipulate myself. She's over at the minder. No, Jay. No minder for carpet pythons. Here she comes. She's back over here now. Good girl. She calmed right down after she practiced wrapping her tail on her lower body on your arm. Now she's just as calm as she can be. She's falling. You're gonna fall. Wrap that arm. Yep. She's learned to control her body mechanics now, so she's not as nippy and defensive and not as high-strung as she was. That's all it takes. They need to learn to feel secure and safe, and she's figured it out. There she goes. Success at last. Jasmine has become a woman instead of a baby snake. So I figured it out. Now I'm not cranky. So now I figured it out. I feel secure now because I can trust my own body now because it's working. Yeah.
Going straight up off the top of his head.
Yeah. She feels like she's accomplished a lot. Actually, she has. Now she feels secure, so she doesn't feel like she has to be defensive. That's all it takes.
I feel so bad.
Where are you going, girl?
She's down the right shoulder blade. So you can drop Eric off.
What are you doing? You got up here all by yourself, aren't you? She's learning. She's learning. Learn to wrap her tail so she doesn't fall. She doesn't get so frustrated when she's got some freedom to do things herself. I don't trust you up there. You won't slide off my jeans, though. You gonna go see Ben? I'm afraid she's gonna slip and fall off my knee. So I'm a big girl, Carla. Look, I got up here off a bed all by myself.
She's not falling either.
I'm in a very awkward position.
I see that.
I'm afraid to move. I don't want her to fall. Aren't you a big girl? So I was wrapped around Ben's arm and I stretched out and came over to Mom and got on her knee all by myself. Sense of self-accomplishment. You know she's not cranky too, right? There. Good girl. Nice job, Jasmine. Please go see Ben so I can straighten my poor body out here. I'm all tangled up. Good girl, Jasmine. Yes, you are. You're a good... Now she's got freedom to express herself. See how her temperament changed? She's moving freely on her own and she's expressing herself. So her temperament calmed right down. They know. They're not stupid. Oh, thank you so much. My back was going numb.